Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we were looking at a new Berghaus Adhara Nightfall 700xl tent. This one is absolutely huge. We never pitched this tent before, so as a first, it's going to be a first-hand experience to putting it up, and then of course I'm going to be to let you know how easy it is to put up. First of all guys, this tent is pretty heavy. I could swear it weighs approximately about 40 kilos, but it is understandable. The tent is 7 meters long by 3 meters wide, which is pretty good, and it does have the lounge inside. So without further ado, let's have a look at what it comes inside. Let's get started.
Oh my god.
Well, so far it looks like a massive parachute. Well, it doesn't look like it's got any manual. It isn't any manual, so it's you got to work this out by yourself.
I know.
Thank God it's not raining or windy. So insert each ball for its corresponding colour code sleeve. Yellow goes with yellow.
Yellow with yellow.
Where with the yellow? There's one bend, I assume that'd be the roof, the back.
Mm-hmm.
Well, so far so good. 4 lots of pegs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lots of rows. One colour coded yellow at the back, and the rest of them look to be the same with a slight bend on the edges. So far, fingers crossed. Look like we're done in 10 minutes.
Do you want to help out, please?
Yes, sorry. So this is what we have so far. It's not been stretched over fully, but seems to be so easy by putting the things in there. As long as you peg it down as you go. I think Mr. Daniel would agree. He was thinking he's going to be pooping himself, but he didn't poop.
Expert.
But yeah, look at that. That's actually, so far, it's only taken us about 20-something minutes, which is not that bad at all. Oh, they still got a few more bits to do, so we shall continue. So we have a side access.
Let me do the doors.
Woohoo!
Doors, please do them down.
What do you mean? Oh. Not allowed to look in my own bedroom yet. Go, Millie. So while Mr. Daniel went to investigate the toilets, I shall be enjoying a sneaky glass of wine. Cheers. Got to now clip the sides. We're gonna wait, let's finish. What about not get chocolate?
No ice cream.
Okay. We now need to go and get some ice cream. Ice cream. We're going to get ice cream. Well, somebody putting up the pegs, one would thought would enjoy the glass of wine, yet I've been told I have to go and help. He just won't leave it alone. Don't know, I just have to help. But anyway, joking aside, so far it seemed to be really straightforward, much easier than we thought. So inside might be a little bit tricky, or might not be, but nonetheless it looks pretty cool so far. So let me help him out, and then we'll show you when it's a little bit more assembled. So guys, here we are. We literally piss-fatted around for about half an hour with the guy ropes, didn't we? Yeah. Mr. Daniel was not happy, but nonetheless, now they're done their correct size, it's good enough for us. So this is how we worked it out for. It's been stretched out, it's been pinned down. Yeah. Right, you got 2 more guy ropes at the back. So inside then, we have the entrance at the front. We've got the side entrance here with the mosquito net, which looks very good. The door that rolls up there. Let me have a peep inside. It's already warm. Yeah, it's got guy ropes to do, but so far. Right, so the bedroom somewhere goes in here, which we will then show you how it goes. And then we need to sort out the porch and things like that. So apparently, guy ropes needs to be done. Yeah, guy ropes, yeah. Guy ropes. I think Mr. Daniel got something to say about the whole agenda here. Especially when you're trying to pull up a tent and you've got a screaming 4-year-old that's demanding going on the slide and then trying to push some random objects off the slide as well. So what do you got to say about that? He's just locking himself in the bedroom, isn't he? So inside then we have a separation, aren't we? Let's have a look.
Boudoir. It's not
Yeah.
done yet.
No, but we're just showing what we've got to do then. What we've got to work with. So this is the mansion. So we've got some pegs, hooks at the bottom to put. So bedroom goes across across the back that way. Okay, we have to have slippers apparently to come in here. There's another bedroom that can go up in here, and then you've got a little lounge area, and then you have the porch. So we're gonna now try to work this fabrics out and see where it goes. I think it'll be pretty self-explanatory because it looks like some hooks there are multicolored, so I think they'll be there to be matched. So we shall do that next. So you can see, guys, that's pretty simple. Again, you just hook it in. That looks like our other tent as well. It's very straightforward. Just clip it in. There is color-coded bits in there, which I'm correct saying then. Color-coded little things to get you the middle and stuff, which is pretty cool. So they are blackout bedroom. Amelia, out of the way. Out of the way. It's a blackout bedroom, which is good. So we've got big plans for here in terms of decorating it, decorating the tent. But yeah, that looks pretty easy. It's a bit warm, so yeah. Yeah. Cold beer soon, cold beer. So guys, this is it, okay? Ish, we haven't done the inside in terms of decorating it inside, but so we have a zip, okay, and a Velcro when I get there. So we're doing this one hand. So this is the porch area, which you could totally take off altogether if you wanted to. Ground sheet in the porch, again, optional whether you want to have it. We're not really pinned this down properly because we weren't sure whether we're going to have this or not. So as an entrance here, you have 2 windows on the side, which you can roll up the curtains up. You have your mosquito net and a normal door. And you've got the same here on the other side, so we can open this up. Here we were going to think of having a toilet, but there's no curtains on the outside porch. It is what it is on either side. So there's some clips up there for something actually.
You gonna see those?
There's a clips in here which we're not really. I'll maybe roll up that door. I don't know.
The outside this, you can actually, looks like you could roll the whole thing. If you
I
want
roll
to.
it out. Okay, yeah, good point. Anyway, on the inside, guys, right. This is pretty good. So I've got to. So here you can see this is a 7 berth. I have to just come in. So million berth, 7 or 10 berth tent.
20,000 people.
So here you can see there's a separate little bedroom, which is really good. And I think maybe it's a good place to put a toilet. We're not sure, but so here they've got a little mat, but we're gonna have a little table and little blown up chairs. There's a big window up here as well. So if you want to get extra light, it will be really good. So you got the mosquito net. This is the side entrance with the thing here. This is the bedrooms. Again, you've got little pockets here for storage, which is really good. You've got a few of those about. There's little zippy pockets for something there. But let's have a look. So we have 2 entrances either side. Get them undone. So here you can see we've got mosquito nets. Oh no, thick net on the inside, and obviously you've got the extra bit of tarp at the bottom. It is pretty dark. You can have a divider here. We have a curtain, so you have a double bedroom and a single bedroom there, but we're not using that because we're having a little one. But you can see here, or you'll see later, that you can really fit a lot of people in here. And just to have this idea of a spare space It's pretty damn cool, isn't it?
And you've still got your shoes on.
And I still got the shoes on, but at least they're dry. It's for the video.
Yeah.
Yeah. We have slippers. We had to take slippers. I did say this. Anyway, so far, oh yeah, this is, guys, the clips on the top. Again, standard sort of tent practices, but color coding is great. And so far, it looks pretty okay. You got hooks. You can hang stuff here as well. We're gonna hang some lights in here. But generally, so far, we are okay. You can see here the reinforcement on the top for the bedrooms. So again, that's kind of a good side. So there we are. So what we're gonna do now is to bring our mattresses and stuff. So guys, we set up inside. So let me see what we have. So guys, this is what really roughly we're gonna have. It's not roughly, well, it is roughly finished, but a few more finishing touches. But with the mat extra here, probably for a bit of warmth, is going to be like 10 degrees. But you can see, guys, the sheer size of the tent in here. They're two blown up chairs, obviously normal adult size chairs. Little table for some night light for a little one, and the one to hang. Obviously bedroom for the moment. Yeah, just got some bits in there, but we will put probably the potty in here. But generally, it's just spacious. And it's really nice to have this side access. So if you just sit here in the evening, if it's a bit, mosquito-y, a bit damp, you can sit here and you got your grass, and you can just get some fresh air, because it's pretty hot here right now. But as for the bedroom, it's a bit of a mess, but 2 single mattresses. We decided to go head this way because I find that the slope in there will probably irritate me at night time, potentially, but nonetheless, this is what we have. And then you got the little kiddie bed there. Because it's cold, I put extra things underneath. But nonetheless, though, you can see that is a pretty sizable tent. So guys, so far so good. So we're gonna now sit down and relax, and we'll let you know in the morning how good we slept. So guys, we had our first night in the tent. We had some rain, we had some wind, and now we have a bit of sunshine. The weather here has been absolutely crazy. We're literally, at night time, it was about 9 degrees. In the morning we had about 16, and now sun came out, it's literally 24. My hair was wet. It was absolutely literally a mixture of all the weathers. However, guys, talking about the first night in the big tent, it was a great blessing to have a lounge area where you can chill with a kid. If you've seen the chairs, guys, that was a really good plus point. We managed to sleep through pretty much all night until about 7. The blackout part makes a huge difference. I haven't slept in the other tents that didn't have a blackout. You end up waking up, if you're like me, about 4 o'clock in the morning, especially when it's obviously light outside, so it doesn't really help. Having a blackout, it's absolutely a blessing. You get to sleep a little bit longer. The other benefit, huge benefit, because we have quite a thick tarp on the whole major tent by itself, and you have a second tarp in the bedroom, they seem to really keep the warmth really well. I remember when we first time slept, when we went to another show, and it was pretty chilly outside, and we literally had to dress up because it was really nippy. Seemed to be, with the same temperatures, guys, it seemed to be maintaining the temperature inside far better. I think it also helps by having the extra porch and the extra living space where the cold air doesn't get through straight to your bedroom. You do also have a vent in the bedroom and at the back of the bedroom, which is a great benefit. So if it does get a bit toasty, you can get this opened up. Sorry guys for change of scenery. My last piece of video for some reason didn't record, and I only noticed it when we're gone home. So talking about the tent, guys, obviously after then a collapse in the tent and taking the supports out, it's kind of a little bit of a palaver. So the thing was, the question was to myself and the husband, really, shouldn't we really gone for the air version of that, which is roughly £799? You might be able to get them on a sale. However, is it really worth extra few £100s? I'm not sure. To be fair, I think once you've done this, it's like first time putting this up, guys, and the whole thing on the tent itself said it was 30 minutes put up, and it took us probably about 40 minutes maybe altogether, give or take. But because it's the first time, obviously we're messing about, and of course I was filming, and we had a 4-year-old running around, so technically it probably would have taken approximately 30 minutes. Taking us down again, the only thing was, it's a little bit of pain in the ear, is to take in those things and taking the supports out and then folding them. However, again, once you kind of done it and you get the knack of it, have to sort of pull it out and twist it, it's not really a big deal. But nonetheless, guys, the tent was absolutely great. At the moment, I don't really have anything bad to say about it, apart from it's just huge, and if it's a little bit windy, you might have a little bit of difficulty of putting it up. However, nonetheless, guys, I think it's a good one. But whether you go for the same option with the air option. It's totally up to you. I leave the decision up to you. And anyway, well, hope you kind of enjoyed my rubbish little review video. Don't forget thumbs up, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye bye.